गरिमा sleep while walking. गरिमा sleep while walking.
अनु ने समय रहते काम खत्म कर लिया.
Anu completed her work in time. Anu completed her work in time.
मैनेजर ने छुट्टी वाले दिन ऑफिस बुलाकर त्योहार का सारा मजा खराब कर दिया.
The manager spoiled the entire fun of the festival by calling us to the office on a holiday.
मेरे दादाजी सुबह ही ब्रेड और अंडे ले आए थे.
My grandfather bought bread and eggs in the morning itself.
मैंने कल ही मोबाइल रिचार्ज कराया.
I recharged my mobile yesterday itself.
उनकी पिछले हफ्ते शादी हो गई.
They got married last week.
रोहित ने मुझसे 50 रुपए लिए थे.
Rohit took 50 rupees from me. Rohit took 50 rupees from me.
जब तक मैं दुकान पर पहुंचा तब तक सारे मोबाइल बिक चुके थे.
Till the time I reached the shop, all mobiles were sold.
मिठाई बासी थी तो मैंने फेंक दी.
The sweets were stale, so I threw them.
वो ऑफिस से आते हुए बर्गर लाता है.
While coming back from the office, he bought a burger.
मेरा 500 का चालान कट गया.
I got fined for rupees 500. I got fined for rupees 500.
गिफ्ट खोलकर वो हैरान हो गया.
He got surprised after opening the gift. He got surprised.
मेरे 100 में 85 नंबर आए.
I got 85 marks out of 100. I got 85 marks out of 100.
मैं वहाँ मौजूद था जब एक्सीडेंट हुआ.
I was present there when the accident took place. I was present there when the accident took place.
उनके घर चोरी हो गई.
Their house got robbed. Their house got robbed.
चोर जेवर और 20,000 कैश लेकर भाग गया.
The thief ran away with jewelry and rupees 20,000 cash.
मेरा पड़ोसी सीढ़ियों से गिर गया.
My neighbor fell off the stairs. My neighbor fell off the stairs.
अरुण को प्रमोशन मिल गई.
Arun got promoted. Arun got promoted.
इस साल हमें सैलरी में बढ़िया हाइक मिला.
This year we got a good hike in our salary. This year we got a good hike in our salary.
सफलता रंग लाई.
Our efforts paid off. Our efforts paid off.
रीना को नौकरी से निकाल दिया.
Reena was laid off from the job. Reena was laid off from the job.
अमित को जॉब से रिजाइन करने को बोला गया.
Amit was asked to resign from his job. Amit was asked to resign from his job.
उसको मजबूरान अपना घर बेचना पड़ा.
He was compelled to sell his house. He was compelled to sell his house.
राहुल राणा को कंपनी के सीईओ बना गए. राहुल राणा को कंपनी का सीईओ बनाया गया.
Rahul Rana was appointed as the CEO of the company.
मैं मीटिंग में था जब तुमने मुझे कॉल किया.
I was in a meeting when you called. I was in a meeting when you called.
मेरे जन्मदिन पर मैंने गरीबों में खाना बांटा.
I distributed food among the poor on my birthday.
हम पिछले साल मिले थे.
We met last year. We met last year.
मेरा चश्मा घर रह गया.
I left my spectacles at home. I left my spectacles at home.
मेरे फोन में चार्ज खत्म हो गया.
My phone battery died. My phone battery died.
मैंने बिजनेस में 2 लाख डुबा दिए.
I lost 2 lakhs in my business. I lost 2 lakhs in my business.
उसका बटवा चोरी हो गया.
His wallet got stolen. His wallet got stolen.
मेरा एडमिशन दिल्ली के एक कॉलेज में हो गया.
I got admission in one of the colleges of Delhi. I got admission in one of the college in Delhi.
गाड़ी बीच सड़क खराब हो गई.
The car broke down in the middle of the road. The car broke down in the middle of the road.
मशीनें खराब थी जब हमने बेची.
The machine was in a bad shape when we sold it. The machine was in a bad shape when we sold it.
उसने मुझे अपनी उम्र के बारे में झूठ बोला.
He lied to me about his age. He lied to me about his age.
वो पिछले मशीन यूके शिफ्ट हो गया. वो पिछले महीने यूके शिफ्ट हो गया.
He shifted to the UK last week. He shifted to the UK last week.
आकाश की सैलरी नहीं बढ़ी थी.
Akash's salary was not increased. Akash's salary was not increased.
उसने सही डिसीजन नहीं लिया.
He didn't take the right decision. He didn't take the right decision.
उस कंपनी की एचआर ने वापस कॉल नहीं किया.
That company's HR never called back. That company's HR never called back.
मुझे वो गाना पसंद नहीं आया.
I didn't like that song. I didn't like that song.
हम एनिवर्सरी पर कहीं नहीं गए.
We didn't go anywhere on our anniversary. We didn't go anywhere on our anniversary.
पिछले साल के क्वेश्चन पेपर इतने मुश्किल नहीं थे.
Previous year's question papers were not so tough. Previous year question paper were not so tough.
उस रेस्टोरेंट का खाना इतना अच्छा नहीं था.
That restaurant's food was not so tasty. That restaurant's food was not so tasty.
उसकी गाड़ी हाईवे पर खराब नहीं हुई थी.
His car didn't break down on the highway. His car didn't break down on the highway.
प्रकाश की प्रकाश इस बार भी प्रमोट नहीं हुआ।
Prakash didn't get promoted even this year. Prakash didn't get promoted even this year.
पिछले साल वो एग्जाम नहीं हुआ था।
That exam wasn't conducted last year. That exam wasn't conducted last year.
पार्टी में किसी को मेरी याद नहीं आई।
Nobody missed me at the party. Nobody missed me at the party.
सिर्फ मेरा नहीं बल्कि बाकी सबका उस विषय पर यही ख्याल था।
Not only me, but everybody else also had the same opinion on that topic.
मैं वहाँ नहीं था जब ये हुआ।
I was not there when this happened. I was not there when this happened.
तनया ने यह नहीं बोला था कि वो नहीं आएगी।
Tanaya didn't say that she won't come. Tanaya didn't say that she won't come.
मुझे चोट नहीं लगी।
I didn't get hurt. I didn't get hurt.
मुझे उसने कुछ नहीं बताया।
He didn't tell me anything. He didn't tell me anything.
मेरा मन नहीं था उससे बात करने का।
I wasn't feeling like talking to him. I wasn't feeling like talking to him.
मुझे तब भूख नहीं लगी थी।
I wasn't hungry then. I wasn't hungry then.
तुमने काफी समय से कुछ नहीं खाया हुआ।
You haven't eaten anything for a long time. You haven't eaten anything for a long